It is official. President Donald Trump nominates Chicago federal judge Amy Coney Barrett to the Supreme Court. The president made the announcement in a Rose Garden ceremony late this afternoon. CBS 2's Skyler Henry has more on the push to fill the seat held by Ruth Bader Ginsburg before Election Day.
President Trump introduced Judge Amy Coney Barrett as his nominee for the Supreme Court, with both making efforts to preemptively answer critics.
Amy Coney Barrett will decide cases based on the text of the Constitution as written.
If confirmed, I would not assume that role for the sake of those in my own circle, and certainly not for my own sake. I would assume this role to serve you.
If Barrett is confirmed by the Senate, the 48-year-old who now sits on the 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals would become the youngest associate justice on the current Supreme Court. Barrett's conservative legal views stand in sharp contrast to the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, a liberal icon whose seat Barrett would fill. Challenges to the Affordable Care Act and Roe v. Wade could come into play. With just over 5 weeks left before the November election, Senate Republicans are planning to get through confirmation hearings as fast as they can. During the Rose Garden ceremony, the president sent senators a message, including those in attendance.
This should be a straightforward and prompt confirmation. Should be very easy. Good luck. It's going to be very quick.
But Democrats have argued the pick should come from the winner of the November 3rd election.
Judge Ginsburg had a dying wish that the next president choose. Justice Ginsburg must be turning her over in her grave up at heaven to see that the person they chose seems to be intent on undoing all the things that Ginsburg did.
Barrett would be President Trump's third Supreme Court appointment, following Justices Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh. That would leave conservatives with 6 of 9 seats on the nation's highest court. Skyler Henry, CBS News, the White House.
The Senate Judiciary Committee is planning 3 days of confirmation hearings starting on October 12th. Illinois Senator Dick Durbin says he's extremely troubled over the president's push to have Barrett confirmed before Election Day. Durbin is a member of the Senate Judiciary Committee. He will play a key role in confirmation hearings. This morning, he expressed his disappointment and his concerns.
We usually have a hearing after we've gathered evidence in terms of the writings, the opinions, the background. We threw that out with Kavanaugh. The decision was made by the Trump administration. Kavanaugh will be considered, and large gaps remained in the information given us. We're going to go through about the same thing here. Considering the fact that this Supreme Court nominee may serve on the court for 30 years, it is nothing short of outrageous that they want to approve her in fewer than 30 days.
Durbin says he's also concerned about Barrett's past writings on religious freedom and her views on the Affordable Care Act.